In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create Bgzip compressed VCF files. We'll go over what VCF files are, and then dive into the process of compressing them using Bgzip. Let's get started. First, what are VCF files? VCF stands for Variant Call Format. It's a text file format used in bioinformatics to store gene sequence variations. VCF files contain information about genetic variants and annotations. A VCF file includes several key components: metadata, column headers, and the data rows. Now, how do we create Bgzip compressed VCF files? Bgzip is a compression tool similar to gzip, but designed to use with files that need to be indexed, such as a VCF file. To compress a VCF file using Bgzip, you can use the following command. Bgzip-c tells Bgzip to compress the file. Then we input the name of the original file. Now we redirect the output to a new file with the .gz extension. We can also use BCF tools to manipulate VCF files. It provides a range of functionalities, including viewing, filtering, and compressing. To create a compressed VCF file using BCF tools, use the following command. BCF tools view command is used to process VCF files. Then we link the original file. -0z tells BCF tools to output a compressed VCF file. -0 input file VCF-gz specifies the name of the compressed output file. After compression, verify the file size to ensure it has been reduced as expected. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.